Hello, good evening, guys. Tonight I'm going to discuss about fluoroantimonic acid. Basically, fluoroantimonic acid is the world's strongest superacid. Its pH number is about 30 negative 31 plus point plus. Um, Even a little one drop of it uh can cause very big damage. As you can see, fluoroantimonic acid is very corrosive and it is trillion times stronger than 100% pure sulfuric acid. So, I hope this discussion of mine um, can help you. Um, I'll be posting some about chemistry later on. So since I'm third year, so yeah, I really like chemistry. So thank you. Goodbye.